What's up guys, my name is Robe and today I'm gonna walk you through on how you'd play Midnight Train on the keys. So the song has a lot of chord movements, but it's still very beginner friendly. So if you're in your early stages of playing, this song shouldn't be a task to get by. Guys, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's zoom in and kick off right after this. So I'm going to divide this tutorial into two parts. The first part I will discuss the main chord progression of the song, and then the second part I will discuss the bridge, which has a variation in the chord progression. So the main chord progression plays in the intro, the verses, and the chorus, and then the bridge has its own chord progression, which varies from the the main chord progression. So the main chord progression is 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 1. Then 4, 5, 6, and 5. So namely, this is a F, G, A minor, G, C, F, G, A minor, and now G. So the F in this, I'm holding the second inversion of F. So normally you'll hold F as so. So F, first inversion, second inversion. So with my left hand, I am playing note C with my small finger, note F with my pointer finger, and note A with my thumb. On my right hand, note C with my thumb, note F with my middle finger, and note A with my small finger. So that's F major chord, and then followed by the G chord. So G chord, this is first inversion of G chord that I'm playing. So with on my left hand, note B with my small finger, note D with my middle finger, and note G with my thumb. On with my right arm, note B with my thumb, note D with my pointer finger, and note G with my small finger. So that's G. And then now the sixth chord, which is A minor. This is the first inversion of A minor. So normal A minor is here, first inversion of A minor. So on my left hand, note C with my small finger, note E with my middle finger, and note A with my thumb. Right hand, note C with my thumb, note E with my pointer finger, and note A with my small finger. A minor. So these are the chords that are used in the main chord progression. So I will now just talk about the timing, mostly for those guys who are in their beginner, who are just very beginners. So you could use this timing. So you will note that the F plays for 3/4 beats, and then the G 1/4 beat. So the G is more like a passing chord to A minor. A minor plays for 2 bars. 2 bars, that's 8/4 beats. So well, let me just play it and while counting. So the F 3/4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, then A minor. So the G is a passing chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the A minor and the G, the last G chord, are playing for 2 bars, the A minor 2 is playing for 2 bars. So 3/4 beats for F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, G, then A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, passing note, G, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's it. That's the main chord progression. So now I'll discuss the bridge. So the bridge chord progression is 2, 6, 5, 3 times. 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, then 4, 5. So the new chord here in this progression is the D, the 2, which is the D minor chord. So D minor chord, on my left hand, I am playing note D with my small finger, note F with my middle finger, and note A with my thumb. Right arm, note D with my thumb, note F with my middle finger, and note G, or rather note A with my small finger. So this is D minor chord. So it's D minor, A minor, G, 3 times. D minor, A minor, G, D minor, A minor, G, then F and G. So timing, you'd count the timing of the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So again, the timing on the bridge. So the D minor, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then back to. So well guys, that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, ciao for now.